Hi everyone, this is You Do You Patterns. In today's video I'm going to show you how I made this unique DIY fidget toy using reclaimed Airsoft BBs. It has such a satisfying crunchy texture and it's a great way to reuse old materials. To get started, I'm cutting a small piece of fabric to create the inner pouch. I used some elastic fabric, I folded it and I measured a rectangle 7 cm long and 12 cm tall. I'm sewing the sides together with the overlock machine, but you can also use a classic sewing machine with a zigzag stitch. I leave just a small opening on the top to pour the BBs inside. Now I'm filling the pouch with recovered Airsoft pellets. I'm using a funnel that helps me keeping things tidy, but you can also pour them in slowly. Make sure not to overfill it so the pellets have enough room to move around when you squeeze it. Once it's filled, I'm closing the top by hand. I'm using a tight stitch to make sure the core is completely secure and no pellets can leak out. This is the heart of our anti-stress toy. To give it a better finish and extra strength, I'm placing the first bag inside a second fabric pouch. This double layering technique not only looks better, but also makes the whole thing feel much softer to the touch. I'm finishing the final closure with a small tight stitch. And here it is. The texture of the airsoft pellets inside the double fabric layer is incredibly relaxing. It's firm, crunchy, and perfect for focusing or relieving stress. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching!